This is Sally made it. Made by Sally.
It's a do. You want to design flower? Call me.
Just call Sally.
Yes.
Uganda.
Or
And
madam,
please subscribe our YouTube.
Yeah.
Hey,
Take
bye.
for me number for madam.
Hello guys.
Your name?
My name is Flor.
My name is Sally. You want to work today?
We're going to
Flower.
cut flowers to put on the table.
Yes.
So very nice, right?
Yes.
This is Sally made it. Made
Design.
by Sally.
It's
That is
a
Sally.
do. You want to design flower? Call me.
Just call Sally.
Yes.
Uganda.
Or
And
madam,
please subscribe
take,
our YouTube.
Yeah.
Hey,
Take for
bye.
me number for madam old Marat, okay? Don't forget for me number take madam. Bye guys. Don't forget share, like, subscribe. Okay?